Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to manage sleep settings of your Windows 11. So for this guys, first you need to open your Windows 11 settings, hold Windows key button and press I. So this is the shortcut key to open these settings. In the settings guys, go to system like this, and in this system find out power and battery option, click and open it. Okay, and here you can get the option screen and sleep. Just click and open it like this, and here guys just slightly scroll down. Here you can get the option, as you can see, sleep settings option, on battery power, turn off my screen after. So I have set this option to never. So this means guys my PC will not automatically go to sleep. If you want to change the setting, here you can select the time duration as per your choice. As you can see guys, same thing. In the next option you need to select the time range when your PC goes to sleep. So same, I also here selected never. So from here guys, you can easily able to change the sleep settings of your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.